How to rank on Google for free. What if I told you that you don't need to spend a single dollar to get your website on page 1 of Google? No ads, no agency, no paid tools, just free strategies that actually work in 2026. Ranking high on Google isn't about luck, it's about understanding exactly how Google works and using proven strategies. And today I'm going to give you a step-by-step breakdown of exactly how to do it. Let's get into it. How Google actually decides who ranks. Before you do anything, you need to understand one thing. Google doesn't rank websites, it ranks answers. Google's system is built on 3 core ideas: relevance, meaning your content matches what people search for; authority, meaning your site is trusted in your field; and user experience, meaning your site is fast, clean, and easy to use. Every single free strategy I'm about to show you connects to one of these 3 things. Miss any one of them and you won't rank, no matter how good your content is. Step 1. Keyword research. Keyword research, and you don't need to pay for it. Use Google Keyword Planner. It's completely free and shows you actual search volume and competition levels for any keyword. But here's the move most beginners miss. Long-tail keywords, phrases of 4 words or more, convert better and face far less competition. A keyword like, how to rank higher on Google for small business, attracts a much more qualified visitor than just SEO tips. So stop targeting broad keywords you can't win. Find specific, longer phrases with real intent behind them. That's how a brand new website starts getting traffic fast. Step 2. Create content that beats your competitors. Your content needs to be the best result on page 1. Not good, the best. Longer content usually ranks better than short content because it covers more angles, answers more questions, and demonstrates expertise. But word count isn't the goal. Comprehensiveness is. And here's the key thing in 2026. You need to understand search intent, whether the user wants information, wants to buy something, or is comparing options. Write the wrong type of content for the intent and Google will not rank you, no matter how long or well written it is. Match the intent first, then go deep. Step 3. On-page SEO. On-page SEO, and this costs you nothing. Include your target keyword in your title tag, in your headings, and naturally throughout your content. This is still a fundamental part of ranking faster in 2026. Here's your quick checklist. Your main keyword goes in the title tag within the first 60 characters. Use 1H1 heading with your keyword in it. Keep your URL short and keyword friendly, no random numbers or symbols. Add internal links between your pages so Google can crawl your whole site. And write a meta description that makes people want to click. Every single one of these is free and takes less than 10 minutes per page. Step 4. Get free backlinks. Backlinks. And yes, you can get them for free. Free tools, calculators, templates, and resources earn natural backlinks over time because people share useful things. But the fastest free method? Guest posting. Find blogs in your niche that accept guest articles, write something genuinely valuable for their audience, and include a link back to your site. Another free method is answering questions on Reddit and Quora. Give a real detailed answer, mention your content naturally, and you get both a backlink and direct traffic. Never buy links or use link exchange schemes. Google's system in 2026 actively penalizes these, and one penalty can take 12 months to recover from. Step 5. Technical SEO, and the tools you need are completely free. Open Google Search Console right now and check 2 things. First, are your pages actually indexed? If Google can't find your pages, nothing else matters. Second, check your Core Web Vitals report. Technical health and user experience is a top priority in 2026. Even the most helpful article can struggle to rank on a website with poor page speed. Then go to PageSpeed Insights and check your mobile score. If it's under 50, fix your images and remove unnecessary scripts. These fixes are free, they take a weekend, and they can move your rankings up faster than almost any content change. Subscribe to Rank Flip SEO and press the bell icon for more SEO ranking tips.